Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore some of the professional development videos available on teachershelpteachers.in. Let us just directly go to teachershelpteachers.in. This is their homepage. Now, we'll go to the top left menu option, and in this, the third option you will find video. So here is where you will find all the professional development videos. However, you will find some difficulty on selecting this option on mobile. So you have to long press on this drop down here, and then you will find two options, webinar and YouTube for ED. So we will go to webinar. So what teachershelpteachers.in has done is that they have come up with 21-day learning videos. So every day they are posting one new video, and this is for the lockdown period, and this is for all the teachers so that they can grow professionally. These are all professional development videos. And when you scroll down, you will find all the videos in a sequence, day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on. So if you want to go through all the professional development videos, you can go through them, or else you can actually read through the description and decide which video you want to watch. For example, day 3 video of this series, 21-day series, was on use of affirmations. So it was done by Mr. Amitabh Mohan, and here are some takeaways of the session. So actually, by going through the description and takeaways, you can decide which course or which video you want to watch from this webinar. So this is how you can make use of the webinar. And then we'll again go back to the menu, and we'll long press this drop down, and we'll go to YouTube for ED. So YouTube for ED is nothing but YouTube for educators. So this is a place which is created especially for educators, so that all the content related to education can be showcased here. So when you scroll down, you will find some of the videos like making 10 and adding activity. So some of the activity videos posted by some of the users. So if you also want to post your own video, if you are a YouTuber or you have your videos on YouTube, you can actually fill this form. You can fill your name, contact details, email, and you can paste your YouTube link here and submit it. So teachershelpteachers.in will get back to you whether they want to post your video on their website or not. So this is how you can make use of all the professional development videos available on the teachershelpteachers.in. Thank you.